College, school which offer high quality education and teaching, well, you're looking too far. It's right within your reach because the school that I am referring is GJC. GJC is the school where I study, and probably your school soon, if you choose to be in this school. GJC is the educational institution which offers a bachelor degree in elementary and secondary education. Become an efficient teacher someday and a definitely left board passer. GJC is the school for you. This school will unleash your potentialities and will mold not only the mind, the skills, but also the heart and your attitude.
Junior College is really the best college school, not only in Verona, but also in Tarlac. Not because of the quantity, but of the quality. So to be honest, GJC is not my first choice. But in the long run, I have realized how lucky I am to be here. This school also teaches us to only give what we have and to aspire for higher.
Why do you have to choose Verona Junior College as your new college institution? You must choose Verona Junior College because it gives a quality education. Instructors are really competent in molding you into an efficient and effective teacher in the near future. This school is also competent not only in our province but also in our country, wherein the graduates pass the LET exam in a high rate. So if you want to be a successful teacher in the near future, just enroll at Verona Junior College, College Department.
I just graduated from Verona Junior College and I am one of the first crops of the college department. Our instructors who served as our mentors molded us to be efficient and effective teachers. GJC taught us not only knowledge and skills but also the values that a teacher and a person should possess. And I think this is what brought us and me this far.
GJC is one of the best schools in the province of Tarlac. Actually, I am one of the first fruits of Verona Junior College, and I am currently teaching now in a private school. I am so proud to be GJC's. Verona Junior College has a strong foundation that makes it qualified to offer not only quantity of information but also quality of education. We mark 86% passing rate from LET exam in BSE and Bachelor of Secondary Education and 100% passing rate in LET exam for Bachelor of Elementary Education. Among the colleges and universities in the province, we are number one actually. And this shows that GJC uses a very effective syllabus and has outstanding teachers. I salute GJC. Thank you very much. And choosing the best school, choose GJC because every GJCans is number one.
In GJC, with the help of the competent teachers, faculty members, hindi lang on intelligence, they are not sticking on intelligence, they are also sticking on the skills and values as well as the affective domain. Kaya naman, hindi lang pinupuno yung utak, kundi pinupuno yung pagkatao ng isang magiging future teacher. And the evidences speaks for us. Unang evidence is that yearly, we are bagging awards from the TAPSA Quiz B. And the last evidence is that the first batch of GJC graduates ranks first in the whole Tarlac during the licensure examination for teachers. And I think those two evidences, though napakaaga pa para sabihin nangunguna ng GJC sa Tarlac. Those evidences are very good. And nakikita na nga ngayon. Sana magpatuloy.
Afternoon. So, the edge of GGC College Department over other colleges, not only here in our district, but also in the whole province of Tarlac. Number one is our small class size. Because of this small class size, we can closely monitor our students' needs. We can actually give their needs automatically because of this minimum number of students. Next, our strong faculty members. Strong faculty members in the sense that they are not just highly qualified faculty members, but their drive, their passion in teaching. And lastly, the cooperation among stakeholders. The cooperation of the administration and the faculty members as well as the community in general. So those are the edges, or those are the things I think the reason why we are on the top.